I'm going to show you how to add a custom text box for product customization on your Shopify cart page. This is a simple but powerful way to let customers add special requests or personalization, making their shopping experience more unique. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Online Store. This is where you'll manage the look and feel of your storefront. Next, under the Themes section, you'll see your active theme. Click Customize. This will open Shopify's theme editor, where you can make visual and functional changes to your store. Inside the editor, look at the left-hand menu and find the Cart settings. Once you're in the Cart section, look for the option labeled Enable Cart Note. Turn this option on, and just like that, a text box will appear on your cart page. This allows customers to leave customization requests, personalization details, or any special instructions related to their order. Finally, don't forget to save your changes in the top right corner. This step makes sure your new text box is live on your site, and there you have it. You've successfully added a custom text box to your Shopify cart page. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in customer satisfaction, giving shoppers more flexibility and creating a more personalized experience. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your Shopify store.